Kumusta? Kumusta po? Kumusta, friends? Sige. Ayan, mabuti ako. Salamat. Sige, salamat po. Ayan, mag-share ako ng aking screen. Sige.
Okay. There you go. Guys,
Um, Make sure na kayo ay nakamute. Sige. Okay po. Ayan. Sige, welcome po sa Jeepney School Tagalog class. Ang lesson po natin ngayong araw ay mga prutas, fruits, and we will tie that with demonstrative pronouns sa Tagalog. Sige, ayan. Pero bago yan, before that, let's review ang lesson natin last week. We used nasaan, ang, where is my bag, where is my phone, 'di ba? That's our lesson last week. Now this time I want you to use the same sentence frame, nasaan, where is, but this time I want you to ask for your extended family members. So I have a list here of all the extended families that you have or that we have in Tagalog. Example, lola, lolo, tita, tito, pinsan, cousin, pamangkin, niece or nephew, apo, grandchild, biyanan, um, mother or father-in-law, and then manugang, son or daughter-in-law. And then I want you to use a possessive pronoun too. Okay, example, nasaan ang lola ko? Which translates to where is my grandma? Okay? Another example ay nasaan ang tita mo? Where is your auntie? Another example ay nasaan ang pinsan niya? Where is his or her cousin? Okay? Now I want you to write two questions using nasaan. And if it's your turn to answer that
keyboard's over
question,
there. Yeah. Yeah.
if it's your turn to answer, you say nasa. And then remember our lesson last week, we learned about kusina, cuarto, banyo, sala, jardín. Sige. And I want you to answer using our vocab last week. Nasa hardin ang lola ko. Nasa kusina ang lolo mo. Okay? Two questions po. You can write your question sa chat or you can write it sa notebook. Okay? And while you do that, I will write more examples here. Sige, very good. Magaling. You're typing it sa chat. Good job. Sige. Sige. Ayan, tapos na. Okay, ngayon, who wants to participate? I will ask these questions. Sige, raise your hand if you want to participate. Sige, I will call your name and ask you these questions. Sige. Sige, KJ, nasaan ang lola ko? Sige, KJ.
Oh, nasa gawahe ang lola mo? Is it
Mhm.
mo or
Mo,
go?
mo, you're right.
Okay.
Sige, magaling. V, Z, nasaan ang lolo mo?
Nasa kusina ang lolo mo.
Ko.
Or,
Lolo ko.
yeah,
Because I'm asking where
ko.
is your grandpa? Magaling. Very good. Gabriel, nasaan ang tita niya? Nasaan ang tita niya?
Nasa hardin ang tita niya.
Magaling. Nasaan ang tito natin? Mia.
Nasa sala ang ang tito natin.
Magaling. Zika, nasaan ang pinsan mo?
Nasa kusina ang pinsan ko.
Magaling. Sige. Eva, nasaan ang lola natin?
Nasa kwarto ang lola
Natin.
natin.
Magaling, magaling my friend. Salamat. Sige. Now let's move sa next natin na vocabulary words. Para sa mga prutas sa Tagalog, we say mansanas. Let's say for apple, we say mansanas. Let's say mansanas 3 times. Mansanas, mansanas, mansanas. Very good. And for banana, we say saging. Saging. Let's say saging 3 times. Saging, saging, saging. Good job. Good job for repeating what Ate Cherry is saying. Sige. Now, I have an adjective here or a describing word that describes our fruits. Masarap. Masarap means delicious. Okay? So we can say masarap ang mansanas. Masarap ang saging. Sige? The banana is delicious. The apple is delicious. Sige? Now, I want to ask you, ano ang masarap? What is yummy? Or which one is yummy here? Sige? And then I want you to answer me, masarap ang, raise your hand if you want to say, or pick. Sige, Ava, ano ang masarap?
Masarap ang saging.
Magaling. Mia, ano ang masarap? Or Evan?
Masarap ang mansanas.
Magaling. Sige, I'll save yung others para sa next picture. Sige? You can keep your hands na nakataas and I will call you. Sige? Next word ay manga. Let's say it together. Manga. Let's say manga 3 times. Manga, manga, manga. Very good. Next word is dalandan. Let's say dalandan 3 times. Dalandan, dalandan, dalandan. Now, some people might call this pongkan. So another name for it ay pongkan. Okay? And that's also okay. That's acceptable. Okay? Now, my describing word here that I chose is matamis. Matamis means sweet. Matamis. Matamis ang mangga. Matamis ang pongkan. Sige? Christina, ano ang matamis?
Matamis ang manga.
Magaling. Chloe, ano ang matamis?
Matamis ang mangga.
Magaling. Salamat. Zika, ano ang matamis?
Matamis ang dalandan.
Magaling. Salamat. Sige. Next
No.
word. Next word po natin o mga words ay ubas. Let's say it together. Ubas. Let's say ubas 3 times. Ubas, ubas, Ubas. Very good. Ubas para sa grapes. Or you could also say mga ubas. Sige, mga ubas. And the word for pineapple ay piña. Piña. Let's say piña 3 times. Piña, piña, piña. Very good. Now, maasim means sour. Okay? Maasim. Like your sinigang. Sinigang is maasim. Maasim ang sinigang. Okay? Okay, now the word, I'm gonna ask you, ano ang maasim? Ano ang maasim, Jillian Perez?
Maasim ang ubas.
Magaling. Ano ang maasim, Ava?
Maasim ang pinya.
Magaling. Ano ang maasim, Mia?
Maasim ang ubas.
Magaling. Isabelo, ano ang maasim?
Maasim ang pinya.
Magaling. Ang next word natin ay pakwan. Pakwan para sa watermelon. Let's say pakwan 3 times. Pakwan, pakwan, pakwan. Very good. Pakwan. Now, the next word for para sa pear, we say peras. Let's say it together. Peras. Let's say peras 3 times. Peras, peras, peras. Now, the describing word I chose is makatas. Makatas means juicy. Sige, makatas from the root word katas, the juice of a fruit or the juice of, anything. Sige, makatas. Ano ang makatas? Sky. Duhinog.
Makatas ang pakwan.
Magaling. Ano ang makatas? Gabriel.
Makatas ang pakwan.
Magaling. Ano ang makatas, Christina?
Makatas ang peras.
Magaling. Salamat. Now, ang next word natin ay papaya. I think we say papaya in English too, right? So we don't need to practice this one. Pero it's good to be familiar sa word na ito, papaya. Ang next word ay calamansi. Let's say it together. Calamansi. Let's say calamansi 3 times. Calamansi, calamansi, calamansi. Very good. Calamansi. Now, I don't know about you, but my favorite thing is rice with chicken, and then there's a soy sauce, and then you put calamansi sa soy sauce, and you combine it sa rice, or you dip your chicken sa soy sauce with the calamansi. Sobrang masarap. Really, really good. Sige. So now the word I chose here ay hinog. Hinog means ripe. Okay? Ready to eat. Ripe na. Sige, hinog. Ano ang hinog, Mia?
Hinog ang kalamansi.
Magaling. Ano ang hinog, Chloe?
Hinog ang papaya.
Magaling. Ano ang hinog, Ava?
Hinog ang calamansi.
Magaling. Ano ang hinog, Chloe, with the teddy bear background or photo?
Hinog ang calamansi.
Magaling. Salamat. Sige. Next, ayan. Now let's talk about demonstrative pronouns sa Tagalog. Okay? So demonstrative pronouns in Tagalog are words we use to point to people or things. So in Tagalog, the pronoun you use depends on how far the person or object is from the speaker. So you have 3 main demonstrative pronouns in Tagalog. The first one is ito. Let's say it together. Ito. Okay, ito. Ito in English means this. Okay? And when using this, you have to be, the object needs to be near the speaker. And then the next word is iyan. Let's say it together. Iyan. Iyan in English means that. Near the person being spoken to. Okay? And then we have iyon, far away. Something that's further away. Now in English, we say that for that word. I don't know if there's a word for that sa English. I don't think so. But it's over there. So the object means that the object is far from both the speaker and the listener. Okay? So example here of sentences is libro ito. Let's read it together. Libro ito. Libro ito. This is a book. Bag mo iyan. That is your bag. Bahay namin iyon. That is our house. Bag namin iyon. Okay? Now remember na ito, the word ito, in casual speech, native speakers often say to. So they drop the I. So the word from the word ito, they just say to. And from the word iyan, they drop the I, they say yan. And from the word iyon, they just say yon. Example, manggato. Instead of saying mangga ito, sometimes in casual speech, they just say manggato. Manggayan, that is a mango. Manggayon, that's a mango over there. Manggayon. Manggato, manggayan, manggayon. Sige? Okay. Now, ito, I want you to write a sentence. Sige? I want you to choose a fruit or three fruits actually. One for ito, one for iyan, and one for iyon. Now, choose a fruit. Example, mangga, mansanas, ko ito. This is my apple. Saging mo iyan. That is your banana. Mangga niya iyon. That is his or her mango. Sige? Ito ang example ko. Mansanas ko ito. Saging mo iyan. Mangga niya iyon. Write 3 sentences for ito, iyan, and iyon. Now, you can write it on your paper and share it to class later, or you can write it sa chat. Okay? Magaling, you guys are sharing really great examples or great sentences here sa chat. Good job.
Ate, I have a question.
Mm-hmm.
How do you say like nephew again?
Oh, pamangkin.
Pamangkin.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Pamangkin.
Thank you.
Sige. Magaling. Sige, kung gusto ninyong i-share ang inyong sentence sa klase, raise your hand. Sige. Now, before you share it sa klase, I'll go first, okay? Ito ang questions ko. If I say ano ito, then your sentence should have ito too. Now, I'm gonna drop the I sound, okay? To make it sound more natural. So I'm gonna say ano to. Ano yan. Ano yon. And I want you to answer if I say ano to, you say mansanas ko ito. It should have the ito demonstrative pronoun. Ano yan? Saging ko yan. Saging mo yan. Ano yon? Mangga niya yon. Okay? Ready? Who can I ask? Sige. Ari, ano to?
Ubas Hoto.
Masana ko ito.
Wait a sec. Sige. Ari, ano yan?
Mangga niya yan.
Magaling. Ano yon?
Peras namin yon.
Magaling. Sige. I'm gonna ask my friend Mia. Sige. Mia, ano ito? Ano to?
Saging ko ito.
Ano yan?
Pinya mo iyan.
Ano yon?
Pakwan niya yon.
Magaling. Sige, Gabriel, Gabriel. Okay? Ano to?
Saging ko ito.
Ano yan?
Ubas, ubas mo iyan.
Ano yon?
Kalamansi niya iyon.
Magaling. Eva. Sige. Eva, ano to?
Pears ko to.
Ano yan?
Ubas niya yan.
Ano yon?
Papaya mo yon.
Magaling. Sige. Sky do hinog. Sige. Ano to?
Papaya ko ito.
Ano yan?
Mangga mo iyan.
Ano yon?
Pinya niya iyon.
Magaling. Christina, ano to?
Manga niya ito.
Ano yan?
Ubas ko yun.
Ano yon?
Pinya niya yun.
Magaling. Sige, para kay Chloe with the brown teddy bear picture. Ano to?
Pakwan ko ito.
Ano yan?
Peras mo yan.
Ano yon?
Saging niya yon.
Magaling. Sige, Ava, did you already have a turn?
Yeah.
O sige, salamat. Sige. Ngayon, let's do a role play here. Sige. So let's pretend we're in the Philippines and you want to purchase a fruit. You went to the fruit store there and you like, you know what? I want the apple. I want to buy the apple. How do we ask how much? How much for the apple? Sige, we say, magkano po itong mansanas? Magkano po yang ubas? Magkano po yung dalandan? Okay? Sige, I want you to write 3 questions sa Tagalog asking for the pricing, for the price of that fruit. Okay? Sige, ito ang inyong sentence frame. I want you to write 3 questions. Magkano po itong, magkano po iyang, magkano po iyong. Sige, and then different fruits for each sentences. While you do that, I'll write my sentence here. Or you can write your sentences sa chat. Magkano po itong saging? Sige. Magkano po magkano po yung pinya? Magkano po yung papaya? Sige. Now, kung gusto niyong mag-participate, raise your hand if you want to participate and share your sentences. Sige. Sige, remember my friends na in writing, it's better to say iyang, iyong, itong, or ito. Sige? Pero in casual conversation, you can drop the I and just say, magkano po tong saging? Magkano po yang pinya? Magkano po yung papaya? Okay? Sige, now ask me these questions. Sige, 3 questions, and then I'll give you pricing. Parang sa dollars. Gabriel,
Magkano po itong ubas?
$5 po itong ubas.
Magkano po iyang saging?
$2 po iyang saging.
Magkano po iyong mansanas?
$6 po yung mansanas. Sige? Magaling. Mia?
Magkano po itong peras?
$10 po itong pera. Sorry, inflation.
Magkano po iyang mansanas?
$3 po yang mansanas.
Magkano po iyong kalamansi?
$3 po yung kalamansi. Magaling. Sige, Ava?
Magang ano po itong mansanas?
$6 po tong mansanas.
Magang po iyang peras?
$3 po yung peras.
Magkano po yung mangga?
$1 po yung mangga. Sige. Magaling. Next ay Christina?
Magkano po itong mansanas?
$3 po itong mansanas.
Magkano po iyang saging?
$1 po yung saging.
Magkano po iyong mangga?
$6 po yung mangga. Sige. Sino pa? Chloe with a teddy bear.
Magkano po itong mangga?
$3 po itong mangga.
Magkano po iyang saging?
$3 po yung saging.
Magkano po iyong pakwan?
$10 po yung pakwan. Sige. Maraming salamat, friends. Pakigawa ng homework ninyo. Your memorization list ay nasa Google Sheet. If you don't know that, ask your mom or your dad, whoever sign up para sa classes. Sige. Maraming salamat. Magkita-kits tayo sa Miyerkules. Ingat!
Ingat ka po.
Salamat!
Salamat po.
Salamat po. Maraming salamat po.
Give it a toilet!
Salamat po.
Give it a toilet!
What?
Give it a toilet!
Sige, salamat!